To get started, you have to install Redux DevTools. There are basically two steps you have to follow. First, we need to install this extension to Chrome, Redux DevTools. There's also an extension available for Firefox, but I personally have not used it, so I don't know how reliable it is. Here on Chrome Store, you can see that more than 900,000 people have used this 5-star extension. So first, add this to Chrome. Once you do this, when you open up the Chrome Developer Tools, you're going to see a new tab called Redux. Now, initially, it's going to say no store found. Make sure to follow the instructions. So on this GitHub page, you can see the basic setup. Take a look. Let me zoom in. All right. So when we call the create store function of Redux, we pass our reducer. We can optionally pass the preloaded state. We'll talk about this in the future. And here, as a third argument, we have to pass this long expression that looks a little bit strange, but it's actually very simple. Take a look. So we're checking to see if the window object, which is global in JavaScript, has a property called Redux DevTools extension. Now here we are using the AND operator. So if we have this property, then we're going to use it. Now take a look. What are we doing here? We're calling a function. So Redux DevTools extension is a function that may be stored in the window object. If this function is available, we're going to call it. And this function is going to return a new function, which we call a store enhancer. So this create store function can accept a store enhancer as the third argument. A store enhancer is basically a function that enhances your store. So it gives it new capabilities. In this case, this function that is available in this property allows your store to communicate with Redux DevTools extension of Chrome. So let's copy this line over here. Now, first we go to our index.js file. Instead of importing the store from the custom store module, we're going to import it from the store module because this is the actual Redux store that supports enhancers. Okay. Now, we go to the store module. When creating our store, we have to pass that expression as the second or as the third argument. So let's pass that over here. First, we need to remove the plus that was copied. So take a look. The create store function has two arguments, a reducer and a store enhancer. Now, back to the Redux tab of Chrome Developer Tools. Let's right click here and reload this frame. There you go. So this is Redux DevTools. Over the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to work with this powerful tool.